Can a pair of smart glasses really replace your smartphone camera? That sounds crazy, but the Meta Ray-Ban glasses are making people ask exactly that. Today, we are comparing the Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses versus your smartphone camera to see which one actually wins. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Devices Setup. If you love smart gadgets, AI tech, and future devices, make sure to subscribe. The Meta Ray-Ban Gen 2 comes with 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, 3K video recording, built-in speakers, and Meta AI. But can it beat your phone camera? Let's find out. First, let's check the convenience. Your smartphone is powerful, but you still need to pull it out, unlock it, and open the camera. With Meta Ray-Ban, just say, "Hey Meta, take a photo." That's it. For quick movements, POV shots, and hands-free recording, the glasses win easily. This is perfect for travel, biking, cooking, or even walking your dog. So here, the winner is Meta Ray-Ban. Now let's talk about quality. Most modern smartphones like the iPhone or Samsung shoot in 4K and have better sensors. Meta Ray-Ban records in 3K Ultra HD, which looks good but not smartphone level sharp. Phones also have better low light performance, zoom, stabilization, and portrait mode. So if quality matters most, your smartphone still dominates. So here the winner is smartphone. Now let's check real life experiences, and here's where things gets interesting. Meta Ray-Ban gives you a true first person view. That means your audience sees exactly what you see. For content creators, vloggers, and TikTok users, this feels way more immersive than holding a phone. But battery life is still limited and storage fills up quickly. Phones are still more reliable for long recording sessions. So here the winner depends on your use. Talking about final verdict, are you gonna go with Meta Ray-Ban or smartphone? If you want the best camera quality, go with your smartphone. But if you want hands-free convenience, AI features, and futuristic POV content, Meta Ray-Ban is a game changer. It's not replacing your phone yet, but it might be the future of wearable cameras. What do you think? Would you wear smart glasses every day? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and have a blessed day.